It is July 8th, class number 11 for KIT Iizuka II C, Friday morning, second period, but this will be the recording for fourth period as well. Okay, if you look at the calendar on the left-hand side, today is the 8th, and that means that we have until the tests, the 15th, the 22nd, the 29th only. The 29th, I want to give that specifically for your group conversation practice. So for learning new material, we really only have today, the 15th, and the 22nd, and that's it. After the 22nd, I want to give you time to practice your conversation test, which we will do on August 10th, and the computer test, we will do that in the classroom on August 5th using Moodle. Okay, well, what are we doing today? Well, nothing too special, except there's no more homework. So actually, let me switch this over to my, my student role. Okay, so today, we don't have too much because there's no more homework. There is Quizlet material here, which will help you understand the last part of 7C. But we're not going to be doing that today. Instead, I want to make sure that you finish your the things that you need to do with the slides and with learning independent conversation. If we have time around what? The 27th, the 29th, the end of the semester before the final tests, we might do this Quizlet then, but I think it's more important that we do speaking practice. Here are the answers for the last homework. Please make sure that you check that out. And your topic sentences quiz and your second reading quiz. So you only have two quizzes. Topic sentences isn't due until the end of the month. And your reading quiz isn't due until July 16th. So not a big workload this week. You don't have any homework, so that'll be good. Instead, I want to focus on being able to speak on these topics on these slides, okay? And, oops, not there. Here. I wanted to give you a chance to practice this very difficult verb in English, get. Get is actually pretty difficult to understand, not because it's difficult to spell, but because it has so many different meanings. And all of those meanings are different depending on the context of the word before, the word after, to become, to understand, to go in, to go out. Sometimes they have opposite meanings. So those are all things that I want to practice with you in this class. After we've done this, then we're going to go on and practice some independent conversations like we did before. I like my father, do you like your father, etc., etc. Does anyone have any questions? No? Okay, well, remember my email address is jdmcruz@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can talk to me there, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.